How many rights does a consumer have under the Consumer Protection Act? 8. Consumer Protection Act is significant to immovable goods. A check is a negotiable instrument. In which year Consumer Protection Act was introduced? 1986. A minor can be a surety. From the following act is related to Indian Contract Act 1872, which is the necessary element for a valid contract: offer and acceptance, free consent, lawful consideration, all of these. An agreement enforceable by law is called a contract. This definition is given in Indian Contract Act under this section 2H. The revision of Consumer Protection Act 1986 is in the following: 2002. In India, the MRTP Act is related to the following year: 1st June 1970. The section of the proposal is 2A. Proposal on acceptance become promise. The section of the acceptance is 2B. The section of communication of proposal is 5. The section of revocation of proposal is 5. A special proposal can be accepted by that person to whom proposal has been made. A contract without free consent is voidable. Without free consent, a contract can be assumed by aggravated party. The section of fraud is 17. The section of undue influence is 16. Consideration may be past, present, and future. Considering being against public policy, the agreement void. Agreement in restraint of marriage is void. Wagering agreement is void. Insurance agreement is legal. A speculation agreement is legal. Cheat fund agreement is illegal. A contingent contract is legal. Contingent contract based on impossible events is void. Which one is the contingent contract? Is insurance agreement. If neither the debtor nor the creditor approve parties, the payment will be appropriated in order of time. Liability of the joint promisor is both. Joint several both. By impossibility an agreement becomes void. Impossibility of performance means destructions of subject matter. If no action is taken for breach of contract, the period of limitation for the discharge of contract is 3 years. The finder can sell the goods if the goods are perishable. Quasi-contract is created by circumstances. Quasi-contract is only a legal liability. The court accepted the injunction if a specific performance of the contract is possible. On case sufficient credit balance in the account of the customer, the check is wrongly dishonored by bank court can order exemplary compensation. In a contract of indemnity, the number of parties is 2. In a contract of guarantee, the number of parties is 3. Which of the following section define a contract of indemnity? 124. Which of the following section defines a contract of guarantor? 126. In bailment, possession is transfer temporary. The section of definition of contract of bailment is 148. Depositing money in bank account is a relation of creditor and debtor. In a contract of pledge, there is transfer of possession. An agency can be terminated by a court on insolvency of the principal. In case of a minor agent, the liability in of principal, the period of rectification is reasonable time. Sub-agent is appointed by agent. In sale transfer takes place of possessions and ownership both. Contract of sale has been of enforced from 1st July 1930. The Sale of Goods Act came in force from 1930. Sale without consideration is gift. In case of breach of warranty, the buyer can claim the damages. In case of breach of condition, the buyer can repudiate the contract, claim damages, reject the goods. All of these. Implied warranty is as to quality. The transfer of lead title in goods can be done. Honor. A wrong delivery means excess delivery, mixed delivery, short delivery, all of the above. A right to unpaid seller against the goods are right of line, right of resale, right of stoppage in transit, all of the above. Parties in a will of exchange are three. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Hundi. The section of a holder in due course is 9. Kinds of crossing of a check are 2. The check becomes a stale after 6 months. In between the special crossing is written name of the bank. Insolvent cannot be declared minor. Section of arbitration agreement is 9. The first Companies Act in India was passed in 1850. A consideration can be simply explained as income. Contingent goods are a part of uncertain goods. When Contract Act was introduced in India 1872, a breach of contract can be illegal breach. How many parties are there in a promissory note? 2.